Meet xTool P2, the ultimate CO2 laser cutter to bring your creativity efficiency to a new level. It's super smart, powerful, and fast. With the 55-watt CO2 laser, xTool P2 can cut 20mm transparent acrylic in one pass and enables you to create customized home decor and furniture that lights up your home. Two built-in 16MP cameras bring amazing intelligence to this machine. Easily drag your drawings to the right place you want and fill patterns on multiple objects in one batch. This largely boosts your business productivity in the busy season. Not only for flat objects, it also engraves on items with curved surfaces. With automatic surface scanning, 3D model building, and focal length adjusting, it makes engraving on curved surfaces as easy as on flat ones. It's fast and accurate. High motion accuracy always guarantees an ultra-fine result. With an enlarged bed size, it fits larger materials and can create larger projects. Want it even larger? You got it! The new pass-through feature and conveyor feeder make extra long material engraving automatic and extra easy. Here's our new riser base. It raises the machine and increases the inner height to 215mm, which perfectly suits a suitcase. Oh, and our rotary engraving accessory? It brings your creative designs to tumblers, mugs, spheres, and even rings. And again, it fits perfectly with your riser base. It's safe and easy to use. Everyone can master it in minutes and make their own creation. xTool P2 has a built-in air exhaust system. The smoke produced from laser cutting can be well exhausted. With smoke purifier, you can use it indoors without safety concerns. This is xTool P2. Super smart, powerful, and fast.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to xTool YouTube Live. This is Kai.
And this is Twiggy.
And this is our Twiggy's new look launch official live stream.
Yeah, it's a new version. Oh my God, it is really bright. I can see on the screen.
Right?
Oh my God, it's like really, really pink.
But anyway, today is our new software launch, new version. So this is a special live stream. We're going to demonstrate so many new functions for you.
Yeah, exactly. So a lot of you guys have been thinking like maybe xTool is a hardware company, right? Because we come up with so many amazing laser machine. We have D1, we have F1, we have our P2, right? But actually, xTool is heavily focused on software as well. So in our engineering team for our xTool Creative Space software, we have over 60 people working on our team, including the UI design, you know, the front end, the back end, test manager, and the all sorts of like people working on xTool Creative Space. So because we believe only with the best combination of the good software and the best hardware can give you the best experience of using laser machine.
Yeah, certainly. And since April 2022, our software xTool Creative Space has undergone 10 iterations, and this new version will be the 11th. Your feedback, suggestions, and advice have been keeping us on the right trajectory right now. And today we are here to act quickly and try our best to meet your needs more.
Yeah, exactly. And we also receive not only some, you know, constructive feedbacks, right? So people have been, some been talking about like, you know, there's so many that we could be improved, but also we have received a lot of positive feedbacks as well. Okay, so our xTool Creative Space have over 12 million times of using our xTool Creative Space software, which brings us so much joy. And also, over the past months, we have, I think, 1.8 million people using our xTool Creative Space as well. And we launched our 1.3 version on the 1st of June. And so with so many interesting functions, including layers and, you know, the AI functions as well.
It's xArt. And in the early July, I guess maybe in about 2 or 3 weeks, we're going to officially release this new version of our software, which provides you the curved texting function and bitmap to vector converting function and one-click generation of QR code and multi-termination application, etc. I know those functions have been grabbing your guys' attention for a long time, but don't worry about that because today's live stream, we're going to demonstrate so many new functions to you.
Yeah, and make sure to share this live stream with all your friends out there, and especially those people who are interested in, laser cutting and laser engraving design software. Because today we're going to show you how easy it is to use xTool Creative Space software, and just like how creative you can use it as well. So make sure to share, because once we reach 800 people watching our live, we'll give away one D1 Pro for free, which worth, actually it's 20 watts, right?
Yeah.
Which worth $1,399.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. And I guess currently we have like less than 400 people, not $400. Yeah. So please share this link with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have this live stream every Wednesday, and please join our live stream. If we reach 800 people, we're gonna give you the D1 Pro. But if we don't really reach that number, we couldn't give to you. So please share the link with your friends.
Make sure to share this link with your friends.
Yes. On top of that, we also did like a survey or lucky draw in our Facebook group. By the way, if you haven't joined our Facebook group, please go to our Facebook group. We have F1, we have D series, we have M1, we have P2 CO2 laser machine group, and people share their some like tips for business or laser engraving or laser cutting projects. So you can definitely get inspired or learn from that group. And we did this lucky draw. So now we're gonna announce 2 lucky persons gonna win our amazing air assist. So please show them their pictures. I mean, not their pictures, their name pictures. So their name is Nomi Mikhail and Marcus Davis. So congratulations. Please contact us on Facebook Messenger. And in 48 hours, I mean, as soon as possible, and give us your information. We're going to send this amazing gift to your home.
All right. So with so many, we have to do our introduction for so many, amazing function of our xTool Creative Space. And don't forget, we also have special deal that is going on in on our website right now.
Yeah.
So first one is for our new members right here. You can enjoy 15% off on D series and M1, and also these $100 off on P2 and F1. So also for our live audience, you can get $100 coupon for all your accessory. But here's the thing, you do have to purchase the machine first.
Yeah.
And then later, with several days, and you're gonna receive an email for this $100 coupon for all the accessory. For example, if you buy P2, there will be great accessory for the conveyor feeder, right?
Yes.
And also we also have the R82 Pro,
will
be really great.
Honeycomb.
Exactly. And also for our D1, you could choose the enclosure. We have the enclosure, we have the honeycomb, and we also have riser base. It just have so many accessories that I think will be really helpful for you.
Yeah, just have to emphasize all this special deal, the 15% off and the $100 off only for the new members. So you have to be the new person to sign up this website with your email. If you purchase our machine, you can't really enjoy these special deals. But for the live audience, it doesn't matter if you are our existing customers or the new customer, you can all enjoy $100 coupon. And this special deal will last 4 hours. So since now until the end of this today, so you can purchase the machine, and we're gonna email later about the coupon code, okay? And we also have D1 Pro 20 watt special deal. This one we're gonna give you free honeycomb. You can enjoy $262 off. The price will be $1,595. This is our special deal. But if you are new here, if you new sign up for our website, you can enjoy actual 15 off for this bundle. So the price will be less than $1,500, okay?
Yeah, and also we have our M1 bundle as well. For 10 watts, and you can enjoy $593 off for 10 watts of M1, which also included a lot of amazing accessories. For example, R82 Pro, Air Assist, riser base, and so many amazing material. And you got the blade. You can change the blade as well. Okay, we also provide you with extra blade for you to change. And also, if you are a new customer, you can also enjoy a 50% off based on the price of $1,645.
Yeah, exactly. And we also have our F1s with R82 Pro with desktop smoke purifier. This amazing bundle, you can enjoy $578 off. The price will be $2,219 off. And if you're new here, if you new sign up our website, you can enjoy $100 off, another $100 off. So that will be $2,100. And by the way, so our F1, attention please. So F1 will increase the price very soon. So we're gonna in 2 days. So this is last 2 days last call. You can enjoy like the single machine at like $1,499, but after July 1st, the price will be going to $1,799. That means it will be $300 $300 more. So please grab the chance as soon as possible to purchase this amazing machine.
Yeah, exactly. And we also have our xTool P2 that has $400 off. And after the discount, you can enjoy this amazing P2, the strongest, most powerful, smart desktop CO2 laser machine for $4,599. And if you are a new customer, you can also enjoy $100 off on that machine.
Okay, great. And we also have so many special deals for our materials. So we have launched so many new materials, such as the rainbow watch band is quite popular. Go to our website to check out. And this slate coaster is like a rock coaster, the heart shape. So you can enjoy only $9. Actually, it's $30, 30% off. We also have acrylic sheets, so 10 pieces only cost you $45.
Yeah, we also have the plywood sheets that you can also enjoy for 18 pieces and 30% off. And after the discount, the price will be $62.
Yeah, exactly. And as a tradition, we have 3 rounds of lucky draw, but we're gonna release the result by the end of this live stream. 3 rounds lucky draw by the end of live stream. So please stay with us until the end. So first round, we're gonna give you 3 sets of honeycomb, totally worth like $477.
Yeah, it's gonna be 3 different people winning
3
the
different
honeycomb. I was like, because I first saw 3 sets of honeycomb, I was like giving one people 3 sets of honeycomb. So it's gonna be 3 different people. So make sure to stay to the end to wait for the lucky draw.
Some people just give you a compliment about your hair.
Oh,
they love your hair. They love your hat. Maybe you can be like a fashion icon of xTool.
Okay, thank you. All right, so we have our second rounds of lucky draw, which will be 2 sets of the RA2 Pro. Okay, 2 sets of the RA2 Pro, which means 2 different people is gonna win the RA2 Pro. And make sure to share this live stream with all your friends out there, because once we reach 800 people watching our live, we'll give away one D1 Pro 20 watts for free, which was $1,399. And if you guys are new to laser machine, laser world, you know that D1 Pro is going to be such a good entry level for you to get your hands on, to try all those like laser engraving and laser cutting projects.
Yeah, and if you're new here, I just give you a little bit more information about D1 Pro 20 watts. So the speed is up to 400 millimeters per second, which is probably the most fastest laser machine, 20 watts diode laser in the world. And this one have so many so many other functions to keep you safe. So 20 watts definitely is a great machine for you to laser engrave, laser cut so many amazing projects. So please check out this machine. And if we reach 800 people, we're gonna give you this amazing gift. So please share this link to your friends to join our live stream.
Yeah, exactly. So with so many amazing introduction of our functions about our xTool creative space.
Yes.
Without further ado, let's get started.
Yeah,
our first project.
Yeah, the first one. So as we mentioned earlier, so this is like a multi-terminal application. That means you can use your iPhone, or doesn't matter iPhone or Samsung or any other mobile phones.
Or Android, right?
Android, yeah. And laptop and iPad. So 3 terminal. You can just use our software exquisite space software app. So now I'm gonna show you, because of time limit. So today we're gonna only show you with P2 and F1, but this app on different terminal suitable for our different laser machines, all of our laser machines. Okay, right now I'm gonna laser engrave amazing picture of Twiggy, because last time she laser engraved me like myself. So this time I'm gonna laser engrave a picture for her. So I'm gonna use my mobile phone, my iPhone, to connect to our F1 and to laser engrave on the business cards. Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys the story behind this.
I'm gonna show you the picture very soon. So please come over. All right. Okay, cool. So firstly, you want to open so you can go to Apple Store to download this amazing xTool creative space software. It's very easy to find it and to open it. And firstly, you want to connect to your F1 laser machine. You just follow the step to connect your machine. You see, after hearing the beeping sound, that means your machine is connected. So with Wi-Fi, you have to use the same Wi-Fi, okay? 有点反光. Can you see?
Yeah, I think right now it's okay.
Yeah, it's good? Okay, I'm gonna open the creative project section. And we're gonna click this part. Oh yeah, so maybe like this. It's more stable. I'm gonna import the image. All right, my cat just showed up. Okay, so this is Twiggy. So where have you been? Where did you go?
So I went to Shantou, and it's like this island called Nan'ao.
Okay.
And it means I think it's called
tropic
tropical
of
of
Cancer.
cancers, right? So I went to tropical of Cancer. So it's actually my first time driving my van
Wow.
to do a small road trip just by myself, which I really enjoy it because it's such a beautiful island.
Yeah, it's very cool, and I really want to go there too.
And also, I dye my hair because
of this trip.
to memorize this, like my first road trip in my van called YOLO.
Okay, YOLO. Yeah, you only live once, right?
Yes.
So you can see Twiggy is sitting on the road in the middle of the road. Okay, we're gonna set up all the parameters. So you want to choose infrared laser, and the dot we're gonna. So firstly, you wanna choose the different bitmap mode. We're gonna choose the Javas. There you go. Okay. Okay. All right, so the dot duration, I'm gonna choose 150. So we did some tests, okay? So in your case, you need to do some tests as well. Maybe in your case, it's different parameters.
Oh,
and
thank you guys. A lot of us love your hair. Thank you.
Okay. And the power, we're gonna go to full, 100%, and only for one pass. And the DPI will be 300. That's it. And I'm gonna choose the image processing. We're gonna choose invert because we're gonna laser engrave on the black color business card. You need to choose invert, and we'll click edit. We want to make maybe like 55. Yeah, for the width. That's it. So everything is quite all right. And let's go to our machine. So firstly, you place your business card in the middle. And the next thing you want to do is set the focus. Make sure the red spot and blue spot coincide together.
Some people are asking, can you crop the image in the app? Yes, you can do that by editing the image, and then you can do the cropping.
Yes, great. So, and we're going to go back to our software. So we're going to click back, and we're going to hit process. We're going to framing it. Okay. So we're going to move our object to the blue circle. Okay, I think that's exactly in the center of this business card, all right? Stop it, and everything's ready. This is the infrared laser, so technically you don't have to close the shield or wear goggles. Yeah, we want to show the laser engraving process, so we're gonna keep open. So hit start.
Wait, is this an infrared laser, right?
Yes, infrared laser.
Still gonna wear our goggles.
Okay, cool. And we hit the button on the machine. There we go. Yeah, it's really fast. Wow, thank you. So we're gonna see Twiggy gradually showing up on the business card. Yeah.
Well, actually, I'll let you guys enjoy this process a bit because I really like it. It's so therapeutic.
Yeah.
Seeing your picture actually printed live on this this is a business card, right?
Yes, business
like
card.
a metal business card.
Yeah.
It's so satisfying.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of you guys love to use like Polaroid, right? Because when we go to
Polaroid,
like
yeah.
These like tourist attraction, we like to take a Polaroid to memorize this moment.
Yeah.
But actually, later I'm going to show you this image quality is going to actually come up better than Polaroid. And because after a certain amount of time, the color of the Polaroid is going to fade a little bit, right?
Yeah.
But with this one, it does not.
It
Okay.
stays forever.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you see the mountains showing up.
That's a very thin metal business card. It's metal.
Yeah. Do you guys have any questions?
Yeah, I'm
so
trying to
currently
see.
I'm using my mobile phone to use this app on my own mobile phone to connect to our laser machine to laser engrave. And this is the first time officially you can use our app on your mobile phone.
Don't worry, guys. We're wearing our goggles.
Yeah. And the infrared laser is actually okay, but yeah, it's better to wear your goggles. And we have a shield on F1.
Yeah, it can protect you both from the blue light and the infrared light. Yeah, it's like ASMR watching it happen. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think the card is coated. Definitely is coated with the black color. Some special material on the surface, I guess.
The new version of our xTool Creative Space software will be available next week.
No, maybe not next week. I mean, in the early July.
Early July,
So
sorry.
maybe in about 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we're gonna announce the final date on our website. So please stay tuned. But no more than 3 weeks, okay? In the early July, I guess probably around 10th of July. Let's say 10th, okay? But before 10th, definitely.
I thought it was gonna be next week. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, it works for P2 as well. So it's multi-terminal and also it's multi-machine. So all our machines support our xTool creative space software as well.
Yeah. I mean, you can definitely speed up. You can definitely make it faster. But it depends on the laser engraved result, what kind of result you want. So if you speed up, maybe the result is not really good, or maybe you slow the speed. It really depends. So just do some tests because each picture is different.
Actually, later we're going to show you a function that will be really good for testing because we're going to combine different powers and different speed. You can see exactly which power and speed you want to use for the best results for your laser engraving and laser cutting.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, F1 is cool, right? I know it. Like at first, everybody thought F1 was like underdog. Sometimes I feel like F1. Sometimes everybody feel like it's an underdog, but right now you can see the magic of F1. It's so fast. Look at that.
Okay, cool. Let me show you. So we also did some tests yesterday. So it depends what kind of color you want. So if you want a darker color, you want this one. But if you want
like a higher contrast.
Yeah, higher contrast. But if you don't want your picture to be too dark, you want to have like a little bit gray or white, you can just definitely use this kind of setup. So you need to do some tests for your parameters and to see different results and to choose the one you want, okay? So this is our business card laser engraving with our mobile phone app with our F1.
All right, so that's our first project. How do you guys like it? Okay, with the fast speed and the super precise, up to 0.00199 millimeters precision, and that's what F1 can give you, both the speed and the precision.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, and also it's also show you the our app supports multi-terminal and also support all our machine, and all the function will be available very soon.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, all right. So let's get into our second project.
Terminal.
And also, a lot of people have been really curious. So maybe let's make sure that it's connected with our P2.
With our P2 or F1?
P2. This one is for P2. This one is for P2.
Okay, you need to switch, I guess.
Okay, switch to...
So maybe let's turn on the machine first.
Yes. So right now, I'm going to show you. A lot of people have been questioning about like, so can your machine, especially X2 P2, support iPad? Definitely. And right now, before that, we also have to do a sort of like, if you want to write something, right? You do have to write on a separate app, which is iPad Procreate. And you're going to write it there and you're going to drag it into our xTool creative space software. But right now we have a function called Graffiti, which you can write directly on our xTool creative space software. You don't have to switch app. You can do it all in one, our xTool creative space software, and it's on iPad version.
Cool.
So let's first switch to the P2.
Yeah.
Let's refresh it. No.
Oh.
Let's do it one more time, and you can show it right here.
Yeah.
So this is how we do it. So if you want to switch devices, you click this like little dot on the right, top right here, and then we're gonna hit switch device. Okay.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, here's the function that we can see right here. Can you see this graffiti, right? Okay, so I'm gonna click on the graffiti right here. Okay, click on the graffiti, okay? And here's how you can, write on it, right? So because I think the machine is probably gonna come out around the time of like 4th of July.
Okay.
So actually we're gonna make a keychain of this 4th
early
of July.
Yeah,
early July. Yes. Around. I say around. I didn't say like exactly at 4th of July. So let's do it. Okay. So right now you can write it, right? I'm gonna do some decoration. There we go. And then once you're done with that, hit OK.
July 4th. What is July 4th?
Independence Day.
No, I just teasing you.
Okay, so make sure we make it smaller. Okay, as you can see right here, we also have this layer function that you can choose. Okay, so first I'm going to choose the outline right here. Outline.
Someone's birthday is on July 4th.
Oh, wow.
Really? The
Okay,
same day
so
as
you
your
want to
country.
use the offset distance. We're going to choose around like 10. Okay, there we go. Let's hit OK. And we're going to move this layer to, because the outline layer, we're going to choose a different method of working. So let's move to another layer, which is the red layers right here. Where's that offset? Sorry, let me do it again. Select this outline. Let's choose to 10. Why it's like all separated? Wait. Why it's like all separated? No. It's like all separated. Outline. Choose the offset. Choose the offset to 10, right? And hit OK. And it's all separated. I don't know why. Okay, let me do it one more time. Let's just delete this. I don't know why it's like offset. Let's make sure that it's all connected. Nah, that looks bad. Let's do it one more time. Okay, all right. So make this a little bit smaller right here. And choose the outline. Choose 10.
Just say, our audience say you need larger offset.
There we go. Got it. Okay, and then move. It's disconnected for some reason. Let's refresh it.
Let me turn off one more time. And
yeah, let's turn off the P2 machine one more time.
And then connect.
And then connect it one more time.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Just wait a little bit.
Let's cancel this right here. So we're going to move this layer to a second, this one, right? To, oh, there we go. Now we have it. Okay, now we're going to make the size to this, go back. Let's select all of them. Make it a little bit smaller. And let's go to edit right here. So let's choose the, because it's 18, it's too long. Let's do 100. And 110. Oh, it's too big. Maybe the height will be 50. 50 height and 10 meters long. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I think that's good. All right, and also because we're going to make it into a keychain, right? Oh, I just drag it bigger. Okay, this is too big. Let's do 80. And this is 50. Okay, cool. And then we're going to zoom in, and we're going to draw a little circle right here. And we're going to go to shape. Going to draw a little circle. Doesn't really give me. So sorry about that little incident, which we're trying to fix on it. That happens all the time, like on our live stream. Yeah. It's easily sometimes we did it wrong with our project, or sometimes the connection is a little bit. Yeah. But we're working on it. Okay, so right now, just excuse us for so we want to give you guys some lucky draw.
Maybe just do one round.
Yeah, one round for the
honeycomb.
For the honeycomb. Yes.
Okay, let's do honeycomb. So please keep tap the keyword honey, just honey, no comb. Honey, please tap honey. Why? What's wrong? So what's in your mind? Please tap honey in the comment center, and we're gonna do a lucky draw for the honeycomb. This amazing, kind of like a razor base for the D1 Pro. Gonna have a airflow. All the debris, all the dust gonna fall off during the laser cutting process. And gonna have a cleaner and better cutting results. Okay, so honey, please tap honey. We're gonna do one lucky draw for this round. So how many people we have currently? We have almost 600. Come on, guys, we need 200 people more to join us. Let's see if we can hit maybe, I don't know, 400 people to join this lucky draw, or maybe 300. Okay, so we need. Oh, that's really quick. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, for this honeycomb, guys, honey, Please
We
share
have
this link.
584
Yeah.
people watching our live. Wow.
Yeah, so please
Share,
share
make
this
sure
link
share this link, okay?
with your friends to join our live stream. We have like 6 rounds of lucky draw today. So you have a lot of chance to win the lucky draw today. Okay, guys? It's 317. We need if we reach 400 people, we're gonna do the lucky draw, okay? So we need maybe 80 people to join us. So lucky draw, honey, guys. Share this link with your friends to join our live stream, okay? And we have so many amazing gifts, special deals on our website. You know, July 4th is the US Independence Day. So why not just purchase our machine and use our amazing, excellent software to make some Independence Day gift for your family or for your friends. Yeah, so I know many American people are quite patriotic. So this is a great chance for you guys to purchase our machine and software to make some amazing gift for yourself for the Independence Day. Okay, guys? Honeycomb, honey. Okay, we need 30 people more to join us. If we reach 400 people, we're gonna do a lucky draw, guys. Come on, yes. Why we stop here? Okay, no, we need 30 people to join us. Share this link with your friends, guys. Come on, make some amazing project with this amazing honeycomb. Honeycomb is to help you have airflow, then all the debris and the dust will fall off during the laser engraving or cutting process. Gonna save you a lot of time, because otherwise your project maybe is not that clear, not that beautiful, not that clean. But you can have a cleaner cutting results with honeycomb. We need 14 people to join us to do the first round of lucky draw, guys. Honeycomb, honey. Okay, 10 people to join us. Okay, we need 10 more people to join our lucky draw, guys. Come on. 8 people for the honeycomb. 8 people. Tap honey just once is enough. Our software only pick up once. If you tap twice, that doesn't count. Okay, guys? Okay, let's draw. Oh my God, 400 people for lucky draw. That's a lot of people. Let's run. You probably see the screen is rolling a little bit slow. Mark Carter.
All right, congratulations. Oh, right now we have 600 people watching our live right now. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. So I had to mention, because some people say your software is rolling so slow. Actually, they just show it very slowly, but actually all the names is already rolling really fast in the behind. Okay.
So right now I'm gonna place the material that I want.
Yeah.
Into our machine. So first, let's open our xTool P2. All right. So here's like the 3mm plywood that I want to place. So we have these slots right here that you can adjust the this accordingly. Right, there we go. Now we're gonna place that onto it. All right. So now I'm gonna close it and go back to our software right here. So as you can see right here, because I choose 3mm plywood, right? Okay, so I'm gonna choose this user-defined material right here. Okay, 3 basswood millimeter. Okay, I'm gonna choose this layer right here to be cut. Okay, to cut. Okay, cut. As you can see, I already have the automatic parameters, 100% at 30 millimeters per second. I'm gonna choose layer 1. For the 4th of July, I'm writing to choose engraving, because I want to engrave this and then cut the whole thing. All right. Now I think that's good. Now select them all, and let's go ahead. Okay, great.
Yes.
All right. Because I think it's gonna be so loud if we're talking in here.
Yeah. Right.
I'm gonna talk on the side.
Inside. Yeah, do you guys have some questions? You can hear us. Okay, cool.
Yes, great.
So just mention one more time, if you are new here, if you're a new member to sign up our website, you can enjoy 15% off on all the D series and M1 machines. and you can enjoy $100 off on F1 and P2 laser machines, okay? So grab the chance as soon as possible to enjoy your new member special deals.
Yeah, later we're also going to show you many more amazing functions about our xTool Creative Space software, okay? Don't worry, it's on the way.
Yeah, you can definitely use different colors of business card laser engrave, but the color will be different. I mean, the final result will be different, so you need to do some tests.
Let's see.
We have 600 people join us, so
Wow.
please share the links to your friends, because if we reach 800, we're gonna give you a free D1 Pro 20 watts machine, okay? Share the links with your friends, guys. Some people say, color your hair in green.
Yeah, but I don't think green will look great on me though. All right, now let's see more if we have more questions.
Purple hair for me. Thank you.
All right, so I think it's done.
It's done, yeah.
Let's see.
I think maybe something wrong with our machine. I mean, we
Was
didn't
the
really,
connect- was
we
the
didn't really
connection?
connect, I think.
Was the connection?
So maybe let's, where's the pattern? The pattern. Oh, yeah, there, okay. You wanna do it one more time? What's wrong?
Did we connect it to the wrong P2? Do we have P2?
God,
P2
I
here?
don't know what's happening, guys.
Let's just one more time, okay? Let's do it. Let's hit okay. Yeah, right? It's connected to
It's
the...
connected to the P2, right? Is this?
let's see.
Why is black
Layer, color. Yeah, if I refresh it, it should be the plywood underneath it, right?
Should I close it?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, I know why.
You didn't put the pattern on the plywood.
Yeah, because like
Oh my God.
I didn't refresh it, so it refreshed the image.
Is that
So I didn't see the plywood. I didn't.
Okay.
That's why. Okay. It's my fault. It's definitely my fault. I'm so sorry about that. Let's place right in the center. I was like,
That happens. It's okay. You know, we all clumsy sometimes.
okay, good. Okay, now let's select that. Great. Yeah. I can't with myself. Start one more time.
I can't help. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. All right. If this time.
Some people say try to tell you.
Sorry.
People say this is the beauty of Livestream.
There's nothing wrong with our xTool Creative Space software. There's nothing wrong with our P2. There's something wrong with Twiggy.
Yeah. Don't worry. So we're gonna show you other new functions very soon. We're gonna show you how to do the curved texting function and the Big Mac transfer to vector. We're gonna show you how to do the one-click generation of QR code. So please stay with us. I know maybe so far we're kind of running a little bit slow, but we're gonna show you all the functions I mentioned earlier very soon, okay? There's so many fascinating functions you need to know about, okay, guys?
Yeah, it's the pink hair, I guess.
Huh?
It's because of the pink hair.
Yeah.
Like my brain is a little bit fuzzy.
Yeah, so maybe we can just speed up the. 好多人刚才有人在讲说今天那个直播那是。Yes, F1 definitely can combine with RE2 Pro. You can use F1 with RE2 Pro for sure. RE Pro is suitable for every single laser machine from xTool. Yeah, let me just mention one more time. We're gonna show the curved texting function. and bitmap transfer to vector converting function, and one-click generation of QR code. Also, the terminal application very soon, guys. Please stay with us. We're going to show so many new fascinating functions from our new version of our software.
Yeah, don't worry, it's coming soon. Sorry, it was my mistake.
Yeah, can you come here, please? Show our audience our laser engraving process. Yeah, it's for real, guys.
Let's see.
Some people say, what are the best things to sell? We have a YouTube video on our YouTube channel. It tells you how to sell products with our laser machines. Please go to our YouTube channel. It's called Top 5 Trending Products.
Okay, I'm going to open this up. Oh, it's going to wait for the smoke's exhaustion. Yeah. There we go. Once you hit that, that's okay. Now let's open it up. There we go. Oh, did I put the offset too close, maybe? Is it because the parameters? Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. Now we have that. Okay, so I think I put the offset a little bit too close, as you can see right here. It's almost gonna break. But we did some tests before.
Okay.
The test before, as you can see. Here's the difference. Like, I don't know why I did it. Maybe I should make this offset a little bit bigger. So here is the difference that you can see. So there's definitely several tests that you do have to run through for this function. So that's why we have this amazing function that you can allow you to do tests to combine with different powers and speed.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so that's our second project using our iPad function, which we waste some time because my mistake.
No, sorry guys, we have to keep operating our software, our machine, so we can't really keep our eye on our comment center all the time. But thank you for reminding us all the potential mistakes we
yeah, sorry,
made.
I missed that because I was like,
we missed that. We're so focused on software. Yes.
All right, and
okay,
we're gonna
do the next one, the desktop one.
Yes, exactly. So
Array, yeah.
Right. So I'm gonna show you another
software, yeah.
Functions right here. Okay, so as we talked about, so as you see before, right, there are probably some mistakes when you are combining, different power and speed, right? If you choose the different parameters,
yes,
or sometimes it probably does not cut through. So why I have this amazing function for you to test the combination of different power and speed. This picture's right here, okay? So I'm gonna show you. So right now, first of all, let me show you this. Let me show you what are the functions right here. So as you can see right here, okay, so this is the testing method that we're going to use to combine different power and speed. For example, you can choose the power from 30% to 100%, and combining the power to 40 millimeters per second to 200 millimeters per second. And this is the results, right? And this is also other software can do, right? So you can do a testing in Square. But right now we have an update function of this testing method, which is you can use to test exactly the picture that you want, okay? It's not going to be only in Square. For example, as you can see right here, all right? So this Square, right? So if I just take a look at the test of the Square, okay, I'm going to think, okay, maybe combining 65% of power to 120 is good, right? Okay, maybe this one is good. But when I look at this thing here, okay, if I want to combine 65 to 120, this picture, I'm not really quite happy about the results, right? Okay, so to literally look at the results of the picture, I'm probably going to choose to run this at 100% power at 120 millimeters per second, right? So that's the difference between, only running the test on Square and running the test in actual pictures, right? So this, you can see directly what kind of parameters, what kind of combination of parameters will work best on your final results, on the final product. All right, okay, so now let's go to the software. All right, so right now I have this cute little cat right here. I'm gonna drag it in. You can choose to, yes, get it to fit to the canvas, right? So this one right here. A lot of people has been asking, can you crop the image inside our xTool Creative Space software? Yes, you can. So let's go ahead and edit the image. All right, so and you can choose crop right here because I don't need to run the test on the whole picture, right? I only want to make sure if the most complicated or the most detailed parts of the picture is okay, then my whole picture will come out great. So I'm going to crop this right here. So I'm only going to do the most sophisticated part, which is this eyes right here. So I'm going to choose this. And then you're going to hit OK. And you're going to save that. All right. So first, let's make this picture a bit smaller. There we go. And then we can choose the array function, okay? If you guys have been previously using our xTool Creative Space software, you probably are very familiar with this function. All right, so now you're gonna choose array, okay? And you're gonna choose the material test array. All right, let's click that. As you can see right here, you can choose the, the power, the speed, accordingly, right? For example, you want the minimum power to be 10% and you want the maximum power to be 100%. You will, grow up accordingly. And also this, we also have these power functions as well, the speed, right? Okay, and you can choose to 10 up to, depending on the speed that the machine can have, right? For example, for F1, we can run to 3,000 millimeters per second. Okay, so right now I'm going to choose 5 column and 5 rows. Okay, just to give you an example of that. All right, now let's make it a little bit smaller on this because right now we're connecting to our F1, so that's the working area of our F1. As you can see right here, okay? So this is a different speed and power I'm gonna run, okay? So from 10% to 100% for power and from 10 millimeters per second to 3,000 millimeters per second, all right? And you can choose as many rows and columns as you want, okay? And not only we can choose the testing of the engraving ability, but we can also test the, the scoring and the cutting as well, okay? We also have some other, as you can see right here. This one is for cutting, right? This is for scoring for test of our xTool P2. As you can see right here, we can do this power from 10% to 100%. And for the speed to 10 millimeters per second to 250 millimeters per second. And here's the result to show you the scoring results to combine different power and speed, right? Okay, so that's that. And so that's basically the main function of our testing array, which I think will be really useful during no matter you want to engrave or you want to cut your project, right?
Yes. So next, I'm gonna very quickly show you what is a new function in our software. It's called xArt. It's an AI function. So let's go back to our software. I'm gonna show you step by step. Okay.
Yeah.
And as everyone knows, AI function is very popular among so many different software, and many software is trying to get this AI function. So it's xTool Creative Space, and this one is already launched. So you can just simply, let me just delete this first. You can just simply click xArt. And this is xArt is our new AI function to help you better design your pattern, because I know many of our customers maybe are not professional designers and they are not too familiar with other professional designing software. But don't worry about that, because right now you can use our xTool Creative Space to design your pattern with our AI function. It's very, very good finish, and you don't have to, step by step learn other very professional designing skills. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can design your pattern. The one is text to image or image to image. I'm gonna show you the text to image. So this is the prompt. What's the prompt? Prompt is that you can just put through all the main elements you want to show up in the picture. For example, you want to have a tree, you want to have a bird, you want to have a black points, you have a white points, you want to have a sky, you want to have a car. So you can just put all the elements like in the phrase or in the words or in a sentence as well, like this: oak tree of life tattoo drawn in engraving style, isolated on white, something like that. You don't have to write in a sentence. You can just simply put all the single words in this section. So this is the prompt. And the negative prompt is something you don't want to show up. For example, you don't want to show, if you want to have a car pattern, you don't want to show up the people, you just say no, you just put through people, or all the elements you don't want to show up in your picture, in your pattern. So this is a negative prompt. And there's so many different scales. The sketch, the line art, you can choose different style to process your pattern. And the samples, you can choose there's only one samples, or you want more options, you can choose 4 samples. But you have to register this new function to get some points, and this points gonna help you to generate some new patterns, and each pattern gonna cost you maybe around 5 or 20 points. Okay, so you need to register first on our software with your email. So for example, just like this, you can just choose this style and generate. Sorry, our Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. Yeah, there you go. So you see different colors, different shapes, different options. If you are not satisfied, you can generate one more time. Okay, and we're gonna go to the history because we have some example for you. Oh, let's see this one. It's very colorful, isn't it? So let's just import this one. So if you choose the one you want, just click here and to click import to canvas. There you go. But I have to emphasize, this is the Big Mac picture, Big Mac graphic. It's not vector, okay? So sometimes after doing so many different tests, we found out the Big Mac laser engraving results are not that good sometimes, especially for this colorful pattern. So how to do it? This is our new function that our software owns. You can just click trace image to convert your Big Mac picture to vector picture, because the vector laser engraving result is much better. How is it? How is that much better? I'm gonna show you some examples. So please close up. You see on software this is original picture, and after you extract your picture, your online to laser engrave, this is the Big Mac laser engraving result. You can see it's a little bit blurred, and the color and the line is not very clear. And this one is a vector laser engraving result. So if your image is a vector graphic, it will be turning out this kind of result, okay? So you can definitely compare 2 of them. This one is definitely better, right? Much clearer. But depends what you want. For example, if you want to laser engrave an animal, like your pet, your dog, your cat, they have fur, right? For the fur, maybe you just like to prefer to have blurred effect. So maybe you don't transfer your picture to vector. You could just stay with the Big Mac graphic. And this is the Big Mac laser engraving result. But if you still want to have a clear outline, every single fur of this amazing cat, you can just convert your picture from Big Mac to vector. And our software now can help you to do that. And how to do it? Let's go back to software. So after you import the picture to canvas, you can just simply trace the image. You see, and you can just adjust all the parameters and save it and drag it. You see, this is the vector graphic, okay? And after laser engraving, you're gonna show up this really fine result. But if you wanna keep it, you don't have to click this one. You can just click edit picture and to extract the outline. It's okay. So this is our AI function. Especially for the colorful pictures, it's better to trace the image to convert Big Mac to vector. All right, guys, this is very cool. I know because many people already asked us many times that they want to have this function to transfer Big Mac to vector, but before we didn't process that, but now we have this amazing xArt and a trace image, okay? Trace image, this function. And we're gonna release this software new version in the early July, so in about 2 weeks. So please stay tuned with our website or social media. We're gonna announce the final date very soon. In about 2 weeks, you're gonna enjoy those new functions we just demonstrate you right now, okay? Okay, cool. So this is our AI xArt function. And you wanna show them to laser engrave some coaster?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And also, so right now, I think you can already enjoy this like the layering function of our xTool Creative Space software, right? So layering function really allows you to, have different parameters or working on the different, for example, if I want to have a lemon tree.
Lemon tree, yeah.
So if I want to maybe make this.
I wonder why.
Yeah. I didn't expect that coming. Yeah. So you can make this lemon to be a little bit yellow, and you can make the branches of the tree to be like white, right? So how do we do that? You can choose the layering function and the color engraving on our xTool Creative Space software, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, right now let's go to our software right here.
Yeah.
I'm going to close yours. All right, so let's drag these pictures in here. There we go. First, I want to make sure the pictures of this image is about 80 to 80, I think. Oh, not position. Yeah, all right, there we go. Now let's put that in the center. So here's how we can choose, because of different colors, right? As you can see right here, we have 2 layers right here, right? One layer is for the lemon. So for the lemon, we're gonna choose the infrared laser, actually the blue laser, and we're gonna run this at 100% power and 30, right? 30 millimeters per second. All right, so that's for the lemon. Yes, we're gonna choose engrave, and this we're gonna choose engrave. For you to choose the blue light and run this at 100% power and 30 millimeters per second, and that's for the lemon on the lemon tree. And then we're gonna choose another layer, which is all the branches right here. So for this one, you're also gonna choose engrave. Yes, we're gonna choose engrave, and we're gonna choose infrared laser for 100% power to 500 millimeters per second. I think that looks good. All right, so now let's go to framing and go to see our F1.
Just wait a minute, I just turn on.
Did you just turn it off?
Yeah, because I thought you're gonna connect to P2. Yes, it's on now.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's connect it to the devices. Okay, all right. Now let's select this and make sure the parameter is okay one more time. So this one is engraving. This is like branches is like 100% to 500 millimeters per second. And we're gonna choose if we want to engrave the lemon, that's gonna be blue light. It's gonna be 100% power at 40 millimeters per second.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, all right. So now let's select this. Go ahead and hit.
No, you have to set the focus first.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah,
let's just go to the coaster right now.
Yeah.
Let's set the focus for this coaster. I just put it in here. Like by moving these 2 together. All right, I think that looks good. Okay, and now let's go ahead. You stay here. Let's go ahead, head framing. And there we go. As you can see, this show up on the coaster. I'm just gonna move a little bit. And can you hit stop framing? And go ahead and hit start.
Okay.
I'm just closer because it not only has the infrared light and also have the blue light, okay? But you can see it very clearly, okay? Let's go ahead, hit start.
Yeah, just skip a second. One more time. I need to connect to the...
Or is it good?
It doesn't really connect. I think
maybe we have too many devices on this Wi-Fi, I think, because...
This one.
Okay. All right, there we go.
Okay, cool. Let's start it.
Yeah. Go ahead and hit start one more time. Okay. So we're just gonna open the lid and we're gonna wear our goggles right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Just close your eyes.
No, still failed. Or maybe turn off the P2 first. Yes. And yes, yeah.
Okay, I think that looks good.
Yeah.
Wait. Laser flag? Okay, good. Now let's go ahead and start. Just want to make sure, double check. Okay, cool. Now let's hit process.
No, still failed. Just give us a few seconds.
Maybe we should just use our
Cable?
yeah. Let's just use our cable because like
Let's
okay.
try one more time.
Let's just use the cable.
Yeah.
I think it's better. Go ahead. Let's just use the cable right here. This one, right? All right, now let's just use the cable. I think that looks good. Because sometimes if you have like multiple, because right now in our live stream we have like multiple, machine connected to the same Wi-Fi, so it probably have some interference. So right now I think that looks good.
Yeah, cable is stable connection.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit start.
You wanna?
Okay. All right. Okay, look at that. Wow. So right now we're seeing this like infrared to engraving on the branches of the tree, which will use the infrared laser for 100% power at 500 millimeters per second. As you can see, this will show up a sort of like a white color for these branches of the tree. Okay, later is what is makes really interesting. It's gonna come out with this like yellow color for this lemon. All right, we're just gonna, yeah, so it's gonna take I think 2 minutes. So I'll just let you guys enjoy this process.
Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at the tree.
But later, I think you're gonna be more surprised if you see the different colors on the branches and the lemon.
Yeah, the lemon. Yeah, the software will be released in early July, okay? About 2 or 3 weeks. Please, guys, wait.
So right now they are doing the leaves for the tree, and very soon it's gonna be the lemon,
Wow.
which will use the blue light for 100% power at 40 millimeters per second.
Wow, look at that. All the leaves on the branches. This is beautiful. I like this one.
Wow, look at that. Did you see the yellow color already?
Yes, I said. There's so many leaves, guys. Gonna take a long time to laser engrave, so we decided to do the lemon.
But with F1, you see we only finished in a minute and 56 seconds. Look at that. Can you see the texture of this lemon? It's actually been laser engraved. This texture has a little bit like a golden edge. I'm not sure if you can see directly on the camera, but it has this like yellow and a little bit like golden, and also have some texture of the lemon as well. As you can see, the branches and the leaves of the tree is a white color, right? Because it has engraved the surface of the coaster. And the lemon has been engraved to a higher power, and we use different light, which is the blue light for 100% at 40 millimeters per second. Look at that. So this is the layering function of our xTool creative space, and plus color engraving for the same sort of because our F1 have both infrared laser and blue laser, right? And you also you don't have to change the laser head. You can just use one machine and you can switch to the infrared laser and the blue light seamlessly, right? So this is the color engraving with using our F1, and also the layering function of our xTool creative space software. And also you can run sort of a test on the coaster as well. For our testing function, you can combine different power and speed, and you can see this combining different power and the speed will show up different colors on here as well, right? For example, if we you can run the speed from 10 millimeters per second to 100 millimeters per second, from 10% to 100 millimeters per second, it will show up a different color. And maybe for me, if I want to have a very good, results of the lemon, I'll probably choose run this at 30 or 40 millimeters per second and run this at 100%, which is the exact parameters that we choose in this project. And this, as you can see right here, is the perfect color engraving of our, to showcase the layering function, layering function of our xTool creative space, plus the color engraving of our xTool F1. Perfect.
Yeah, great. So next, I'm going to show you something new about the one-click generation of QR code. As you can see, so I know many of our users have their own small business. They have their online shop on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, or on Shopify, just like us. So if you want your customers or your clients have an easier access to your online shop, why not just let's engrave a QR code on your shop, or on the craft shop, people can just scan it and to go to your online shop to purchase your products, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how to generate this QR code. I know there's so many other apps that you can generate a QR code, but xTool Creative Space just want to have everything included. Okay. So now this new version has this new function to generate the QR code. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go back to our software. Yes. And you can just simply to copy your website link. So now I'm gonna copy our YouTube website. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many amazing content, okay? And click the code on this side, okay? The code and QR code, not the barcode. You can choose barcode to do a different thing, okay? And you can just paste this link, your online shop link, and click it, and that's it. It's very, very easy, just as simple as you see, okay? So this is amazing QR code. You can just place your QR code on your shop or on your craft show anywhere. And we're gonna laser engrave maybe 43. Yes, there you go. So we're gonna laser engrave this one on our plywood. So we're gonna choose the 3mm pass-through plywood. Okay, let's go to our software. Go to our machine. We already laser engraved this one earlier. And set the focus first. Make sure the two spots coincide. There you go. I'm framing it. Oh, that's quite big, isn't it? That's weird. Let me try one more time. Yeah, 43. Okay, that's framing it. Okay, cool. There you go. That's it. And we hit the start. We hit the start one more time. After hearing the beeping sound, push the button on the machine.
Make sure to scan this QR code on our live stream so you can subscribe to our
YouTube channel. Yes. Oh my God, you see the QR code is showing up. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many amazing content. For example, recently we released top 5 trending laser make products to sell with laser machines. You can learn how to run your small business, how to earn money, how to earn $1,300 per week as a side hustle, get extra money, okay? Watch this video. We have so many factory tour, China factory tour to release all the real circumstance in our factory, the producing lines, the assembling lines. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us. Great, it's almost finished. Nice.
You can scan it now. Maybe try.
yeah. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna show you. All right. So this QR code, I'm gonna use my WeChat. If you're familiar with Chinese social media, this is called WeChat. I can just scan it. Yes. Okay. Oh, there you go. This is our YouTube channel, guys. This is, you can see. So it's very useful. So this is the QR code.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes. It's good. Cool. Okay.
All right,
Done.
for our next function, which I'm going to show you how to engrave and also how to use this curved text function of our xTool CreateSpace software. Because so right now, let's connect it to the, you want to go to the other side and then connect it to our P2.
Yeah.
Let's pass through. Yes, this curved text is really, really, really useful for our xTool CreateSpace software and also for a lot of our users out there because they think if it will allow you to design your text according to the shape that you want for your project. So right now, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. So also, I'm going to create this. So first of all, maybe let's. Did you turn it on?
I haven't.
Okay. All right. So first, let's put the acrylic inside our. The acrylic. Yeah, we're going to use that one. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to place this inside for our acrylic. It's looking fabulous. All right, now let's close it. All right, now let's go back to our software. All right, now it's connected. Let's delete this. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so first of all, I'm going to insert a circle inside this right here. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose a circle. All right, and then I think that looks, actually, I'm going to just do the size for maybe 100 to 100. Okay, I think that looks good. And let's zoom in a little bit. And right now I'm going to write Twiggy. Where's my text? Oh, here, right here. Right, so I'm going to write Twiggy. Okay, as you can see, this little dot right here, right? Can you see this little dot? Okay, and then we're going to twist it. As you can see, it has been curved to any kind of angle that I want. Okay, so right now I'm going to move to here a bit. So first of all, let me actually make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, if I want to move this inside, actually, I wanted to turn it around, I think. Okay, I think I need to have it a little bit curved a little bit more. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, now I'm going to design this coaster a bit, and also I'm going to insert a rectangular here. So I'm going to zoom in on here. Make a little from the center, right? Like that. Yeah, I think that looks good. And also I'm going to choose our circle one more time as well. A bit smaller. And you can align the circle and the square as well. For example, let me actually make it a bit bigger. There we go. Okay. Oh, sorry. And then you can choose this two to be combined, and then you can choose subtract. Actually, you can align to the, I think, horizontally align center. Very good. Okay, and then you choose combine, choose subtract. There we go. And that is a coaster that we want to design. So for the out shape, I want to choose cut, right? Actually, you can choose the material, which is 3 millimeters baths. The transparent acrylic. Let's try to find it. 3 millimeters white acrylic, 3 millimeters. There we go, 3 millimeters transparent acrylic. Okay, and now let's go to this. We want to choose engrave. And this, we want to choose cut. Okay, because we're going to cut the shape. Okay, that looks perfect. I'm going to select all and then go ahead. Actually, let's refresh it so we can see. Oh yeah, it is on this acrylic. Okay, now let's go to xArt. And make sure you turn on the smoke purifier. Is it on? No. Is it connected?
Yeah. Oh, doesn't work.
Really? Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead and start our project right here. Let's hit start one more time on here. And go ahead, start on here. All right, here comes the funny smell of the acrylic.
Oh, acrylic. Okay.
Yes, it is acrylic. All right, so let's at the same time, let's try to answer some questions as well. But we do have a smoke purifier, so it should be helping a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I think while we wait for this, should we do maybe another round of lucky draw?
Yes. Why not? Please type honey in the comment center. We're gonna give you another round of honeycomb. Please type honey in the comment center. We're gonna give you the honeycomb. Honey, guys. Honey for lucky draw for the giveaway. Honey, honey, honey. 2 more honey to go. How many people we have right now? I have 580 people. Okay. So let's see if we can hit 350 and we can do the lucky draw, okay? Guys, share the link with your friends to join our lucky draw. Apparently, I don't think we're gonna reach to 800 people. So today there's no D1 Pro for our lucky person. Sorry about that. But we're gonna, on and off to give you some amazing little
There's
machines.
only 200 to go. Maybe ask them to share. Maybe there will be a chance to reach 800.
Yeah, okay. Guys, share the links with your friends to join our live stream. Okay, honey, guys, just type once, that is enough. Our software only pick up once from your keyword. If you type more than twice, that doesn't count, okay? So just once, honey, guys. Honey. Okay, let's draw. Okay. Congratulations, William. Please contact us on Facebook Messenger. Give us your information. We're gonna send this amazing gift.
Draw one more time, right? Because
Yes.
we have 3 sets of the
Yeah. So one more time, yes. Brian Mello. Congratulations, Brian. Please contact us on Facebook Messenger and give us your information. And we're gonna send you this amazing gift to your home. Congratulations, Brian. And we have 2 rounds of RA2 Pro.
Yes.
So let's do it. Please tap RA2 Pro. There's no space between RA2 and Pro. So the keyword is RA2 Pro. Okay, guys? We already changed the lucky draw product. This is the next gift for you. It's free RA2 Pro. No honeycomb anymore, guys. RA2 Pro, okay? We're gonna give 2 RA2 Pro. So guys, please join this amazing lucky draw pool, and we're gonna choose 2 lucky persons to win this amazing RA2 Pro. Okay, guys, R82 Pro, guys, R82 Pro. R82 Pro. Let's just wait for the R82 Pro. We need 100 people more to join us. Come on, guys. We need to go to, let's reach 400 people to join this lucky draw. Okay, guys? 400 people. Type R82 Pro. Type R82 Pro as soon as possible, guys. R82 Pro, we're gonna give you 2 R82 Pro for this amazing giveaway. Okay, guys? We have live stream every Wednesday, 6 p.m. at Pacific time. Okay, 6 p.m. every Wednesday. Live stream. We're gonna demonstrate so many new functions to you from our software and make some amazing gift for the festivals or special days with our laser machines. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. They're gonna notify you every week if we have a new video coming out. For example, we have how-to video to show you how to make projects step by step. We have top 5 trending products to show you how to make money with our laser machine. We need 13 people to join this lucky draw, guys. Yes, we have so many original content on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's draw. Yeah, the acrylic doesn't smell good. It's not healthy, guys. Be careful when you laser engrave acrylic. Woo! Lisa, congratulations. And the next one more round. Do you know there's a new movie called Joyride? Joyride, for Asian American actors. It's really great. It's coming out on July 7th. Whoa, congratulations.
All right, now let's check out our results for this coasters right here.
Yeah.
The coaster that we use the engrave text function of our xTool Creative Space software.
Great.
Oh, it does take some effort.
Don't hurt yourself.
I won't.
Is there any? It's okay.
Yeah, we can show this one, but this one
Together, I think.
Yeah, and this is another the one that we did. Well, I mean, let's show them. It's fine, I think. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Right, there we go. Now this is the one that we did today. Maybe we need to work on the parameters a little bit more. And then if you clean it and it actually looks good, then this is the one I did yesterday. So I did on the blue one, and today I did on the orange one. Which guys do you think it's better? It's better to do on the because I think like I have a bigger text actually looks better, right? So yeah, that is the curved text function of our xTool Creative Space, and plus the layering function of our xTool Creative Space. And also our P2 machine can cut through 20 millimeters of the transparent acrylic in one pass. All right, that's the last project.
Okay. Great. Let's just remind you one more time our special deal. I think only this page is good. It's good enough.
Mm-hmm.
So if you new sign up our website, if you're new members of our xTool website, you can enjoy 15% off our D series and M1 machine, and you can enjoy $100 off our P2 and F1. But you have to be the new members, and you can enjoy these 2 actual sales, actual special deals. And for our live audience, what kind of gift we have?
We have this $100 coupon for your accessory, but you do have to purchase the machine first.
Yeah.
And then later in your email, you can receive 100 coupon for the accessory.
Yeah,
for example,
exactly.
for our P2, it's very good for you to have the R82 Pro, the
Yeah.
conveyor feeder. And for example, for our other series, it's good for you to have the R82 Pro, the Air Assess, or also the riser base and honeycomb.
Yeah, exactly. But and during the next 4 hours, I mean from 6 p.m. until 12 a.m. today, you can enjoy this $100 coupon for the accessories. But after that time, we won't have this $100 coupon anymore for the live audience. So I think that's everything for today, and thank you for watching our live stream. We know we made some mistakes, but that happens.
Actually, let's just like sum up a little bit of this amazing function of our xTool creative space software, right? So first of all, we introduce you to what was the first one? Did you
the first one I use my mobile phone. So this new version of software supports multi-terminal applications. You can use your laptop, you can use your iPad, you can use your desktop, you can use your mobile phone to laser engrave something with all our laser machines.
Yeah, and second one, I use the iPad with our xTool P2. And before you do have to use a separate app for you want to draw something. Right now we have a function called Graffiti inside our xTool Creative Space software, which you can draw directly inside xTool Creative Space software, and then you can engrave, right?
Yeah, exactly. And I show you how to use AI, which called xArt on our software. You can just use AI functions to generate the pattern you want, and also I teach you how to convert your big map picture to vector graphic. Then you have a better, finer, more precise cutting result, a laser engraving result.
Yeah, and I also show you we can do a test to combine different power and different speed, right? So we have this function in our array, right? It's called material test array for you to test a different combination of the power and speed. But before, in other apps or like other software, you can only test that in square. But right now you can test the actual image that you want to engrave or cut for you to have a better, and for you to to save your time to choose on the best combination of the power and speed.
Exactly, and I also teach you how to use our one-click generation of QR code. So if you're running your small business, this is really good for you, for your clients, for your customers to have an easier way to access your online shop. So I show you how to put through the link, and they're gonna automatically generate this amazing QR code and laser engrave on the materials you want.
Yeah, and I also show you how to do these like lasering, right? Layering, sorry, not lasering. Layering in our xTool Creative Space software, right? Because we're combining with our xTool F1, because it have 10 watts of the blue laser and 2 watts of the infrared laser. You can switch seamlessly between two laser lights and use the lasering layering function in our xTool Creative Space software to use different parameters and different power and speed for you to have this color engraving on your coaster.
Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty much everything. And next week, please stay tuned with our next week. We're gonna see
and curved
texting.
We to forget about that, because last one, curved text is the very important. Also, you can choose the angle of your curved text according to your object that you are working on.
Yeah, exactly. And see you next Wednesday. The pink hair is still waiting for you next week.
Maybe next week it's gonna be a different color.
Green color.
Yeah, every day I wake up, it's a different type of pink. Okay, maybe you will see
different layers of your pink.
Yeah, different. I mean, so right now we have one
black pink. How about I do a black one? And
no. So
I would black pink. Okay.
Right. So right now we have 1.4 version of our xTool Creative Space software.
We'll release in the early July, the 1.4 version.
And maybe
software.
Next time you can see 1.5 version of Twiggy with different type of pink. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao, ciao.
拜拜，好，再见，拜拜。